What's up, guys? Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Alright, guys, let's do the random for case number 4. Anything higher than 4, 4 lower to a reroll. We got Matt on top, Dwayne on the bottom. Alright, we're going to go 7 times, guys. This is for your draft spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, Colin first, then Terrence, then Colin, and Matt with the next 2, then Dwayne, then Sarah, then Dwayne, Sean, and Sarah keeps getting that damn 10 spot. Alright, let's random for the case. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 remaining, which the boxes are marked. Anything higher than 4, guys? 3, go again. Alright, we have 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, we're going to go with case number 5. Case number 5. What's up, Matt? How you doing, man? Alright. Find case 5. It's on the bottom, of course. Alright, number 5, which we marked live in the beginning. Alright, this one's got 4 helmets, I believe. Yep, this one's got a 4 helmet. So 4 helmets, 6 jerseys. Stay. Alright. Still looking for a lot of the bigger case hits, guys. Yeah, I think it's just allergies, man. I'm just losing my voice. It's definitely annoying for sure. Alright, let's do the helmets first. These just don't stack well. Come on, stay. Alright, for the Jacksonville Jaguars, we got Travis Etienne on the speed helmet. Our second helmet. For the Cardinals, we have Nathan Hoddle, which I have no idea what he's worth because I cannot find a single autograph of him. What's up, Kyle? That's probably one of our lowest end helmets, to be honest. You can put it for wherever you want because there's not a single autograph of this guy on the market. He played for the Cardinals, though. That one is PSA, and the ETN was Fanatics. Alright, next up for the Jets, we got Sam Darnold on a speed helmet. That one is Beckett. I don't know where he's at now. You gotta trade it. Alright, this one is from TriStar. It is Joe Bellino from Notre Dame, which played What's His Face. The movie was based off. I can't think of the hell of the name. It's TriStar. Rudy. That's the true Rudy right there. Alright, our first jersey. We got Craig Morton. This is JSA. Alright, next jersey. We have Tyron Smith with his JSA for them Cowgirls. No, Durkin wants that one. Alright, looks like a Browns jersey. Nice, Amari Cooper, which is Beckett certified. Cooper number 2. Now you want that Cowgirls. Alright, nice one here, guys. We're going to have the Pete Rose in this too. I believe I put Pete Rose in with this jersey. We got Deion Sanders on the Ravens jersey, which is Beckett. It's a rare one, actually. You find on a Ravens jersey. This came from my personal collection, guys, so I needed a couple more items to throw in. Got Pete Rose, and it is an Expos jersey. You're looking at $150 to $200 all day. Is the Expos version, not the Reds. And it's also a Cooperstown collection jersey. I think I paid $200 for this back a couple years ago. But you can still get that for it. Because he does not sign. I don't think he signs Expos anymore, to be honest. All the ones I've seen were signed on the front, not on a number. Alright, and our last jersey, guys, is going to be Santana Moss for the Redskins. And that one is PSA. Elastic. Alright. So I'm going to get better from here, guys. I'm just telling you, we got two or three items in here worth over 100 to 200, but we still got them big helmets. They're guaranteed to hit next because we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only got 7 left. 7 left. But this was actually a decent case. Way better than the last one. The last one was probably the worst that we did. That's probably why this one took so long to fill. So, alright guys, well appreciate it. I'll get it posted in the room. Start picking. And then I'll post number 5. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Don't get too trashed. Talk to y'all soon.